We are here in Ritz Tahoe, a very nice resort, and thanks to Glenna for reserving this very nice star hotel. We will come back here in resort, and this is our first night, and we look like we're gonna be here for a whole week because look at all our goodies. And then we're in the other room, and there's nets, and there's Fed, relaxing. Eating the cream cheese dip. And then there's the sinigang. Where's the sinigang? It's cooking now. So this is really a fun 3 days retreat. So we're enjoying life, thanks to the Lord. And look at all this food here. I feel sorry for the people cleaning up when we leave, but we're gonna clean up. I think I'm supposed. And this is the huge bed, king size bed, and this is the outside view of the Ritz Tahoe. It's so beautiful. We're in state line between Nevada and there's Derek. He's one of our members of our Bible study. And is the sinigang ready yet? Wala pa naluto? Wala, naugoy na? Umok na? Hello! Hi! Mirror, mirror. Who's the fairest of all? Who's the richest of all? Mirror, mirror. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the fairest of all?
Snow White.
Snow White? Are you sure?
No, there's no Snow White
Not
here.
Nita.
Nobody is Snow White here. Black White.
And I was calling said, this is front desk, and Attorney Vicky Ramirez thought that I was really I got her phone. I said I questioned about how many guests she
And I believe her.
It's not even April Fool's Day, but I fooled her for a short time.